everyone, welcome to Discovery Natural. If you've not yet subscribed, just click the subscribe button down there, okay? Because today we are talking about, are we doing way too much stuff to our natural hair? I'm guilty of it, and am I supposed to be crucified? Am I supposed to be thrown in jail for all what I'm doing to my hair? Well, the reason why I'm doing this video is because on my Instagram page, Discovery Natural, I always bring like little snippet of videos showing what I'm doing to my hair. And I put a video out there that has over, I think it's over 4 million views now, on using molasses in my hair and how the molasses has actually turned part of my gray hair brown, like dark brown, almost as if I don't have any gray hair anymore. And some people were like really getting on my case about that, and I turned up the comments because I don't need all that negativity. So I want to just share with you, a lot of us, and this is my opinion, and I think this will be one of the first videos you'll see me getting really heated about. In my opinion, I'm a big believer of doing what works for your hair. I don't believe in you saying, oh, this doesn't work, so because somebody said it doesn't work, I'm not going to do it. If it's working for your hair and if it's not damaging your hair, you do what works for your hair. But in that whole instance, you have to be smart about what works and what doesn't work for your hair. Personally, of course, like using relaxers and all that stuff, I'm not for it because of my past experiences. There are some things that we use in our hair, and I'll give you a list of what I have used in my hair. For example, some people feel that we shouldn't use aloe vera in our hair. Some people feel that we shouldn't use molasses. What is other stuff that people use? Some people, I even have a list. Shea, palm oil, guava leaf, people use that. Some of this I've not used before. Flaxseed, yogurt, banana, avocado, fruits and berries, juices and berries. Yes, some people feel that you shouldn't use it in your hair. Personally, for me, I feel like if you look back years, and also to other countries, in other countries that they don't use manufactured products, some places they don't use manufactured products, they use what is given from the land. So whatever, all these resources from the land, like different oils, almost like lavender is from plants. All this stuff that you see in your manufactured hair products, they're from the land, they're from, you know, people have already packaged it into these nice fancy packages, and that is why you'll be like, oh no, I would never use this, I would never use that. But one thing is this, have you sat down and looked at the ingredient list and researched the ingredient list? If you do that, you will surely see that you are actually using things from the land. You're actually using things like rice water. Some people get on my case about using rice water. I use rice water. There are different things. Yes, they might be manufactured a different way so that it works better for the hair. That is your take. That is my take. I do what works for my hair. I want you guys to comment down below. I want you to let me know what are some things that you use in your hair that the majority of the world will say, oh no, why are you doing that to your hair? Why are you putting all this? I just can't with all those natural things. Well, let me tell you something. I am Shola, and yes, I use juices and berries in my hair. And if you guys do, comment below, let me know your recipes, and you'll be seeing more of different things that you can use, mixtures and recipes. If you want to see recipes that I've used on my channel, go to my DIY natural hair products list, and you'll be able to see that information. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know any other videos you want me to shoot for you, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.